Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about two more string functions, that is rstrip and lstrip. So let us understand these functions one by one. Rstrip. It strips out the characters from the end of the string, that is from the right hand side of the string. So removing some of the characters from the given string is known as rstrip. And this is only possible with the help of rstrip function. Why? Because R stands for right hand side. So whichever the character you want to remove from the right hand side, you can remove with the help of this function. So let us understand now what is the syntax for the same. For example, we are saying str1 is equal to CBSE result. This is my string. And now if I want to remove LT from the given string, so I'll be applying rstrip function because LT string is the part of my string which is written at right hand side. So from the right hand side, if I want to remove any character, I can use rstrip and I'll get this result. So rest of the string is displayed apart from these two characters which are stripped out. Okay. Next, lstrip. It strips out the characters from the left hand side of the string. Now this function completely works opposite to rstrip function. In rstrip, we remove the characters from the right hand side of the string. Here in lstrip, we remove the characters from the left hand side of the string. For example, str1 is equal to CBSE 2020. This is my string. And if I want to remove C character from the string, which is written at left hand side, then I can use lstrip function. So whichever the character we want to remove, whether from the right hand side or left hand side, we need to pass them inside the round brackets of function. And as a result, I'll get this. Because C is stripped off, so I'm left with BSE space 2020. So we can see all the things practically also. So let's move on. If I say A is equal to Python, right? And I want to remove one character from right hand side, that is N. So for right hand side character removal, we have rstrip function. So I'll be applying A dot rstrip. Which character I need to remove? N character. So I'll be writing this N character inside my rstrip function and I'll get the result in this way. Similarly, if I want to remove P from left hand side, so in this case, I'll be writing lstrip character P and I'll get the result in this way. So from the right hand side, if I want to remove something, we have rstrip function. From the left hand side, if I want to remove any character, we have lstrip function. Now one more variation is there. As we have seen that we are passing some of the characters inside our round brackets. But if I have a string in this way, please observe it. I am taking two spaces now, 1, 2. Then I am writing Python. Then again I am taking two spaces, 1, 2. And I am closing my string, right? Now if I'll apply A dot rstrip, and I am not going to pass any of the character into my round bracket, then what will happen? I'll get this as a result. That means the space which is given, which is added at the end of my string, is stripped off. So if I don't pass any character inside my strip functions, then the spaces will only be removed automatically by default. Similarly, if I write A dot lstrip and I don't pass any character over here, I'll get the result in this way. Now at the right hand side, the space is visible into my string, but at the left hand side, it has been stripped off. Similarly, in case of rstrip also, the left hand side spaces as it is not removed, but the right hand side space is removed. And if I want to remove some of the characters also along with my spaces, then what can I do? I can write in this way, rstrip. Now, last two characters I want to remove, so I can write ON and two spaces, this, and I'll get the result in this way. That means two spaces in the starting, PYTH, because ON along with the space has been stripped off. Similarly, if I say lstrip, then I can write two spaces and then PY. right? Then I'll get the result in this way. Now, after removing my py from there, then I'm left with thon along with space if I come on to the original string. So this is how R strip and L strip functions work. And when do we need it? This is also important to understand. Sometimes what happens, like we have written some string and we are adding some of the characters unnecessarily into my string, right? So in that case, to remove everything unnecessarily added into my string, I can use R strip and L strip. And it is going to affect the length of my string also. For example, if I say B is equal to A dot R strip, right? And if I say length of B, then I'll get 8 as a result. Why? Because 2 spaces in the starting, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Otherwise, the length of my string is 10. If I show you length of A, is going to return me 10. Because along with both the side spaces, my length of the string is 10. But after removing the spaces from my string, right from the right hand side, the length has become 8. So this gives an impact onto my string. So I guess this is enough for the day and the concept is pretty much clear to you all. I will come with more information with my next in my next tutorial. Keep watching, keep practicing. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.